Future Administrators Academy Tier 2 Application Video. Carla Boyce. Part 2 of the Tier 2 application asks for selection of one of the district goals to discuss and analyze. Provide an example, plan, or strategy on how you would address the district goal as a campus leader in Alvin ISD. Technology professional development and training opportunities for personnel will be emphasized. I chose this district goal to discuss and analyze because if 2020 has taught us anything, it is arguably that we have a growing responsibility to embrace the vast amount of technology available to us and use harmoniously with our lessons on a consistent basis. John Dewey famously said, "If we teach today's students as we taught yesterday, we rob them of tomorrow." This speaks volumes to me, and it illustrates the importance of this district goal. Teachers who hesitate to embrace technology quite often don't see value and prefer to use materials and resources that they've always depended on. There's still value in the teaching tools of yesterday, and I do not suggest that we abandon them. In fact, they should be used in conjunction with technology available today as we prepare our students for tomorrow. Just think of the jobs that exist today because of the advances in technology. Coders, bloggers, app developers, YouTubers, and app designers are all jobs that didn't exist 20 years ago. Social media manager, social media marketing, and drone operators didn't exist 10 years ago. What will our students need to qualify them for the jobs that will exist in the next 10 or 20 years? Technology. The district goal focuses on the emphasis of training opportunities. As a campus leader, my plan would begin with utilizing the district instructional technology specialist to analyze how technology is used currently on my campus, which tools would be beneficial to meet the needs of the staff and students. We would review the results of surveys that I would have sent to staff, and we would design a yearly syllabus or tech curriculum. Staff members would be responsible for attending a minimum of 3 trainings. One of them could be a one-on-one training as a result of suggestions. As campus leader, it would be imperative to emphasize the expectation with positivity, understanding that some teachers will be excited to learn and apply these skills, some apprehensive, and some already overwhelmed and otherwise uninterested. The sessions would occur regularly so as to be easily remembered by staff. The sessions would be during the day, during a lunch recess combo, where coverage would be provided for participants, and lunch would be provided as well. My presence would be imperative as campus leader, enthusiastic, encouraging, and of great assistance. Once learned, it would be expected to be used in the classroom, and it would be essential for me as the campus leader to observe and encourage learned tech tools when they're used in the classroom. Practices would also be emphasized through the highlighting of a Tech Teacher of the Week. Newsletter publications and advertisement for outside tech trainings as well. These actions would emphasize the importance of continued learning and development in the area of technology. And through it all as campus leader, I would have constant conversation with staff about what works and what doesn't work, and I would have to adjust accordingly. As explained, my plan to address this district's goal would be to survey staff and determine technology used and needed. Review data with instructional technology specialists to design a syllabus. Require staff to sign up for 3 trainings. Provide food and coverage for all trainings. Encourage with positivity. Enthusiastically attend all trainings and offer assistance. Observe technology use in the classroom. Highlight a tech teacher of the week. Share updates in school newsletter and advertise outside tech trainings. And listen to staff and adjust along the way. Thank you for your time and consideration.